I have a significant solar array up on the side, up on my roof, and I was just wondering, hey, come time to do some roofing upgrade or just life cycle maintenance of, i.e., hey, you need to put new shingles, et cetera. Are there provisions being brought forth in the industry to handle that monster, especially when 50% of your roof is covered in panels?
Great question. So in most situations that we've encountered where there's solar there, the solar manufacturer or installer will have a one-time removal and reinstall as part of their contract, and that will facilitate that. Now, there are some that don't have that, so it's going to depend on your solar provider. But in many cases, that will be the case. And then we'll come in, have them removed, we'll make the repairs, and then it gets reinstalled.
And you would think that this would be the easiest, most profitable market in Arizona for solar, but it's very difficult. All the big guys have packed up shop and left. So there's a chance that even if that was included, the solar company doesn't even exist anymore that installed it.
That's a really, really good point. We run into that a lot, and we have a couple of specialists that work with us, and they, for a fee, they'll make that transition and reinstall.